Hello students, warm welcome to video learning lecture. My name is Aashish Gohel. I'll be teaching you some basic questions of differentiation from NCERT textbook. Today we discuss about exercise 5.3. In exercise 5.3, mainly two types of questions are given. Total number of questions are 15 from 1 to 8. There are some other type of questions 9 to 15, another type of questions. So let us discuss about question number 1 to 8. In question number 1 to 8, you need to remember product rule, division rule and chain rule. Okay. One of the question I will discuss over here, sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. We need to differentiate the given equation and we want to find out value of dy by dx. Okay. So first, differentiation of sin square x. 2 will be ahead, 1 power will decrease, and again we need to differentiate sin x as per chain rule. Here also it will be the same, 2 will be ahead, 1 power will decrease. Okay. Then again differentiation of cos y. And here the differentiation of constant term is 0. Now the next step is to differentiate these two terms. So 2 sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x plus 2 cos y. Differentiation of cos y is minus sin y. And here remember one thing, we are differentiating with respect to x. So y is different variable for x. So we need to differentiate y again according to chain rule. That you need to remember. So again we will put dy by dx. Here we need not to put dx by dx because if I differentiate x second time with respect to x, then answer will be 1. Okay. Now in our answer we want dy by dx, so that we will make dy by dx subject. So here 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, here negative minus 2 sin y cos y will be sin 2y dy by dx. Now take this from this side. So sin 2x is equal to sin 2y dy by dx. Hence your value of dy by dx will be sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Okay, and this will be our final answer. In question number 1 to 8, you will be given one equation just like this. You need to differentiate the equation and you need to make dy by dx subject, and that will be our final answer. Okay, understood? Okay, so now we will start the question number 9 to 15, that is second type. In this second type, you need to remember some of the formations from chapter 2, that is ITF, inverse trigonometric function. Now, for that, you need to keep in mind that whenever we will be having 1 minus x square, we will assume x is equal to sin theta or cos theta. Okay, any of the two you can assume. If 1 plus x square is given, then you can assume x is equal to tan theta. If both together are given, then according to the given question, either we can assume tan or we can assume x square is equal to cos 2 theta. Now, basic trigonometric functions have some formations. Sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta. Then here also another formations of sin and cos and tan 3 theta. So these things you need to keep in mind. Okay, you must remember these things to understand the second part of this exercise 5.3. Now let us take one question from second part. Okay, so one of the question is given like this: y is equal to cos inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, let me erase this part so that I can have space to write down this question. Now, if you observe the question, we will be given some range of x. In this question, the range is given from 0 to 1. 0 less than x less than 1. Okay. So here, according to that, we need to assume x is equal to tan theta. If x is equal to tan theta, then theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now, if I put these values over here, then cos inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, and that will give you sin 2 theta. Okay, because the formation of sin 2 theta is what? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now, in second chapter ITF, we all know that cos inverse of cos theta is theta, but here sin is there, so we need to convert this sin into cos, and that is very simple. Cos inverse of cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta, that is in first quadrant, so it will be positive. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. According to that rule, this sin 2 theta we can write down as cos of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now cos inverse of cos is gone only if this inside is in the range of this given function. Okay, so for that range we are given 0 less than x less than 1. Now what we have assumed in place of x? Tan theta. So that we need to discuss over here. That is also very important part. So 0 less than tan theta less than 1. Now if I want to convert this into angle, then tan 0 less than theta less than tan pi by 4. Okay. Now everywhere if I will be taking tan inverse, then 0 less than theta less than pi by 4. We want range of minus 2 theta. So we need to multiply this with minus 2 first. So if I multiply with negative number, then inequality will change. So minus 2 pi by 4 less than minus 2 theta less than 0, because if you multiply 0 with any number, then answer will be 0 only. Okay, I am multiplying with negative number, that is why I have kept this term over here. Okay, inequality will change. So now I want to add pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus, here will be 2 to cancel, pi by 2 only, less than pi by 2 minus 2 theta less than 0 plus pi by 2. What I have done? I have added pi by 2 over here. Now simplify it. 0 less than pi by 2 minus 2 theta less than pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus 2 theta is having range of 0 to pi by 2, and that is in the range of cos inverse. Remember, what is range of cos inverse? 0 to pi, from chapter number 2 ITF. Okay, very good. So pi by 2 minus 2 theta I can write down. Now what will happen if we do not show this kind of procedure? It is okay. In many of the question, they are not given this kind of thing. The range of x will not be given. So if it is not given, then no need to discuss anything like this. But if it is given, then you must discuss these things. Understood? Yes. So now we have simplified this y in the format of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Okay, now I have to erase these things to write down the further question. So pi by 2 minus 2 theta. In place of theta, I can replace tan inverse x. Now we will differentiate this. Dy by dx, differentiation of pi by 2 is 0, minus 2. Differentiation of this tan inverse x is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square. So final answer will be minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. So in 5.3 exercise, question number 9 to 15 are of second type. For second type, this is the best example. All the question will follow this trick only. Okay, so remember that first equations that I have written. Okay, after that practice questions 9 to 15. For more videos like this, stay connected. Thank you so much.